What's up, my people? What they go on? Danjuma Abubakar, I see you. Fabio Cannavaro, what they go on? We will come, I be sense where they can't talk. So what must here? We know they hate nobody. But sometimes for educate you people, then sometimes you people they forget yourself. Just like Mama talk say Ghana for there and check na murefi. So sometimes I say kaimo. You dey bab me, I say kaimo, I say we need to remind you people. Obeka se mu de mu kwa brochia na yam se mu onyansa. Yes. Obeka se oh mu de mu kwa brochia na yam se mu onyansa. Yes, ya onyansa chemu because Corona yet no Jimmy bi amomo ye wasa mo krom o Ghana no ye nye bi wa ha sei. So ati ase. Kwasi asem bi amomo ye wo mo krom no. I say ye yet Ghana no ye Jimmy ye Jimmy bi a ye Jimmy ye. Ba ye ba abrochi ye ni bie ye say we dey kwasi asem nti ye na ye sa kwasi asem wo time yet Ghana no. So at must say. Sometimes you catch them say travel. We they tell people say travel. You don't be say travel then just go abroad, go get money or go do. Sometimes you they travel that your eye go open, you go learn sense. You they bab me. Ghana where we dey Ghana here. We dey Ghana here. People dey there then get small money. Some people they no be celebrities, so then get small money than 10 celebrities. Then get plenty of them for Ghana. So come small money where then get, where they follow musicians or people where then get some small fame. Then say they be celebrities. We don't know what we they celebrate about them. You don't understand me? Somebody like soccer players. Some people go call them celebrities. Maybe in some ways. They go call them musicians. They call them celebrities. We don't know what they celebrate. People they watch this kind of people like some fool like Stonebwoy. People they watch some fool like Shatta Wale. People they watch them fool like Sarkodie where they know they feel tweet about them our country. They know they feel talk give the people. You they bab me. People they watch them. You they bab me. If you be celebrity where you get some platform, the platform where the people give you, no be say for your music or for you to talk for the people. So something they go on where you know good, that way you say you get more, if you get big platform, and then you go talk for the people because you are the voice of the people. You get people that they follow you. You understand me? You know, be say you go get some small fame there, you go come the fully country like Ghana where some kind of Jimmy anywhere or be some small fame where you know some 2-3 police people or some 2-3 big men be there or the Jimmy. Then they make it a slide. You bab me, but how things they slide? You, the citizens of Ghana, no musomo kauna sa kwasia for where omanya skaka krabi or then get some small fame that they call themselves celebrity no omu Jimmy. Because you people they hail them to some fucking level where they no reach. But I know they blame you people because Corona out no nothing they go on. Jimmy and Kwa where we they promote. So if you people they move that kind of way self, it's understandable. Now who are crop up a bit to say America, Canada, Europe, Germany, Nyama, UK, bibi kosu wa brabam, you wake up, you think you get something better to do, how to move, maneuver, you see things they go on now. Some kind of people say then do some shit self, go watch them. Ghana has some fucking crowby. Yeah, we did Shatta Wale go beat contractor. You go beat some fucking contractor where he did somewhere where we can't talk, give the contractor, no, he come apologize. Where the thing go? You the contractor where them beat you, where we can't talk give you, You go do, I see something where you the contractor, you go do police report. Where the case go reach? You no go reach anywhere. Because you the contractor than your boss, they go call you, put you for some one corner, talk to you, so they go find something small, give you, case closed. The case no go reach anywhere. Everything make baller. You understand me? But if you people they stand on your ground, some kind of things, they allow you, they do things, they make things, they go high, they go. Like Ghana country, because you people be the reason why Nana Akufo-Addo feed they go country, go collect big money, then come, you go share plus in people chop there. You the citizen, you they cry. They move Jimmy and you go can't they social media, they talk, say feeds the country. If you can say feeds the country, go feeds the country. You don't go feed the country. You don't go feed do anything. You bab me. Feeds the country, you don't go feed do anything. Action where go do something. Then you go there, you they do fix the country. You not go fix. You go there social media. Then you go so now you go there social media and then you go tire. Kwame Nkrumah ba no muka so betena no kasa e Ghanaians do so anka you kwase and de obenya independence at now you kasa say Ghana is one of the best African countries we know of. You kasa Kwame Nkrumah na no na ka yanka like Ghana go be like how you dey. He do action, wake up where he do things. Where things move on, where things they go on. Shatta Wale can't give speech while they say some stupid media people they praise him. Shatta Wale's speech be good. Where speech? Anytime they can't release the baller song, baller album where you know they go anywhere, then that be the time where you know how to act humble and things. You know be in there the way media people no blow him. You know be the same Shatta Wale way say media people no do anything give him. Why now they come they talk to media? I'm open to business. I'm open. He said be Facebook will blow him. Nobody do anything give him. Media people know they help him. Then he can't consider say they give speech. Made them play 90% of Ghana music. The radio station they be your own. Made them play 90% music. Made them cut blaster people, them are money. Then make them take half, give you, put for music inside. Kwasia. Made them cut blaster people, them are money. Take half, put forward. Music inside, give who? You Shatta Wale. Make you get that small change, you know where you go can't disrespect people. You can't they give speech. What? The major whatever, make them cut. Hey. Make them cut what? 90% of the sports money, you know. Make them cut. Some place say what? Make them cut 10% of the sports scene. Make them cut 10% for the sports side. Make them put for music inside. No. Make them put all the 100% for the music inside, for the sports inside, because we they like the sports side, no. Those players, if they go play ball, can't wait and get money. Be we then there with the chop. We then there they go club, they buy us drink, they pay a shower, give us where with the chop. Where musician where you get money, where you do something, give us. You know, because the same way people know where you go come, they disrespect us, then like you Shatta Wale, now one go steal people money, give you where they disrespect Ghanaians. Make them cut 10% for sports. Sports be the better thing. You know they put Ghana for anywhere. Apart from your disgrace, then your stupidness way they do. What again you Shatta Wale they do give Ghana. Then you go come beat somebody. Then you come say sorry. There is go. That's why we tell say you dey Animal Kingdom. Here where we did. Drake, Jay-Z, Beyonce, Tupac self go jail. But Jimmy Nashwe say you no go jail. That's why I tell say your country where you dey no. Corona want to be Animal Kingdom. Obia to meet Jimmy Keke, they go free. Why then they travel and they know they fool? See, if they travel, immigration safe for border safe. Then see immigration or more judicial police. Because they fear if them fool, they go return them go Ghana. Your artists when they Ghana they act like tough. If they travel, you know be police so if they reach airport, immigration safe then they see that they salute immigration. They check them my passport say made they enter. And want to chew like good boys. They act nice. Nice. You know be the country police for immigration. Because they act nice like good boys, like they never shit before. Because why they fear say they then talk nyanya, they go return them go back to my country. Abuwa the people come your country. You know they respect police. You know they respect the citizens. You they act anyhow. Everybody feel they slap somebody, then can't talk, say, I'm speech here, I'm sorry, this, and the media need to help me, and the media needs to do. What media go feel do? What media go feel do give you? Then you did they go tell say, yeah, they're too quiet. We travel, you they get sense. That's why they tell say travel. You know, we say can't get money. We need beer. Nana Akufo-Addo offer play. Those your leaders offer play now. Oba Abrochira. So see. Who chrono, you they see the country where they can't borrow money from that slave master Noah. They can't borrow money from it. They see how nice the country they. What if they can't tell the slave master, oh, borrow me money, make I go better my country? That be what your president Nana Akufo-Addo, if they tell the white man in slave master where they borrow money from. If they tell them, say, make them borrow money, make it come better Ghana. You dey understand me? So after them borrow am the money, but he reach Ghana, what did they take the money they do? Because people like you, some of you no get sense. You understand me? You people like you, some of you no get sense. That wife Nana Akufo-Addo collect the money, he come Ghana, then he come sit down, chop the money. Then who they were Jimmy, they all go feel do be social media. Who show some demonstration? Feeds the nation. Abuwa. Your slave master and the way they come, they borrow money from there. You know they see what they do? You know they see? If something that they go on for America, you know they see the demonstration that they do? Europe. You know they see? Asia, you know they see? But only you people, you figure say social media, can't insult Nana Akufo-Addo, can't insult president, can't insult elders, go change country. Mube brese ya. This is for Mexico by road, ni compare Europe ni nyama. Dubai. Watch Dubai. Why Dubai they do this thing? Then they go talk and they go tell say how if you compare Ghana to America, how if you why? Omo de nye moja nani no mumuno. Ene moja $20 wey me at the chop for year. It be your country money how much? $10 be like 60 Ghana or 60 something for money. $20 we they take the buy drink them things for a year. Burger King and McDonald's. Calculate for your money. Your Ghana see this inside. Then you talk say who now bread mo. You know see anything. Some of them must be Jimmy. You be can answer chairman Yansen ni mutim. But mu be brave. Mu papa mama Bob Brat say papa ni mo. So mu de mo Jimmy. Mu ni Yansen. Some of you self, you don't know where passport office there. You don't get passport says. You don't get passport says. So fully you did the only thing you get be phone. Your phone self you know be better. Now Shatta Wale be some Ghana be some better country and Shatta Wale that stupid thing where do that Infinity phone or whatever phone no. Like by now no. Then canceling contract. They don't go work plus themselves. Go ask Akon. He go tell you. You go throw the boy for state top. They go 1 million top for some company. As he carry the ball, we roll and we throw him. Ekon they come and ask him. Then cancel the contract. That he can do sorry for the time. Then I let you go. Go ask. Jimmy for and we Jimmy na mu goose acro. Ye can't search my moon because we Jimmy. Bob Rabbi watade crapo. Obroni wow. Ye share ne titi obroni tita gum. Pum. Then wash am kiss up the thing they go send give you katamantola obroni wow they go collect you kasa osu Jimmy unsa we a champion ya kaka osi you adwin Jimmy obroni wow obroni sha abre then you go throw am force then you go carry wear figure say you wear something how you dey there. Shatta Wale can't give speech. Now, more media, need them Jimmy keke. Say, Shatta Wale in speech he give. Where speech? Stupid speech where he give, you know. Stupid speech where he can't give, you know. Then anytime Shatta Wale go be nice. Some other way say media no help him. Media no blow him. So why they need media? Somebody say media no help him. Media no help him. Today you can't sit down. I'm open to work with the media. Coronavirus come. Baby, I a dream. Obi a tree and but now you want help work with the media. Now you do abo with Grammy Award. So now you see say if the media all can help you, your song go there. Then you want the Grammy people go recognize you. Big award people go recognize. They're gonna tell you say, hey, the media people that what they watch you. You know they respect them. Can't respect them. Why you not go come post your shit for Facebook? Post your shit for Facebook. Only do. I mean say media no help you. Stay for Facebook just like you say you nobody boss you. Facebook boss. Facebook to be media, be social media. Post your song, only your album, no. Post them for there. No media people go work plus you. When radio presenters, you know disrespect. Yeah, you dare say go slap radio presenters. But my Jimmy T, but my speech. Then you people there. Shatta Wale give a good speech. He talk sense. With sense. A sense in flame in kolo anabi. Animal born pickings. Kolo abiji. Uni nyansa. Now you go can there. Jimmy. Say we. Yeah, you expect we.